It is absolutely essential for everybody to understand that they will have to change careers possibly several times throughout their working lives. Polytechnics provide the flexible learning that their graduates will need in order to retool their careers. My name is Alan Davis. I am the President and Vice Chancellor at Kwantlen Polytechnic University. Polytechnics are singularly focused on the preparation of graduates for the world of work, both now and in the future. They are highly engaged with industry, and the faculty themselves are hired for their expertise in both teaching and in the technical fields that they're training people for. Students are constantly adapting to real-world situations through work-integrated learning, applied research, co-op placements, internships, and so on. One of the key dimensions of the quality assurance that Polytechnics undertake is to make sure that their graduates are indeed successful in the careers that they've been trained for. Those graduates will often then become people who are then giving back through the development of the programs as they go forward and as the future demands. Lifelong learning is extremely important in this day and age. We talk about the looping of education, upfront education, then some time in the world of work, returning to school various times throughout your working life in order to upskill and reskill. And Polytechnics provide this through short courses, stackable micro-credentials, and through post-baccalaureate programs so that lifelong learners can incorporate this ongoing learning into their busy lives.